Hello guys, welcome to Inspire Educare. I am Aditya. In this video, we will solve one problem from the topic linked list, which is generally asked in interview. Today's question is to find the nth node from the end of a linked list. So in this, we are given a linked list and a number n. We have to write a program that returns the value at the nth node from the end of the linked list. So here is an example of that. We have an input linked list as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and we have a value of n equal to 2. So we have to find the nth node from the end. From here we have to find the nth node. So this is the first node, this is the second node. So the output comes out as 50. So we have to find the nth node from the end. So let's see how we can solve this. So let us consider a linked list as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and null. So to solve this question, we will keep two pointers and point toward the head of the linked list. The one is slow and the other one is fast. So we will move fast pointer till while L minus minus. So while doing this, we will move our fast pointer to its next. So here the n is equal to 2. So when we run this loop 2 times, then first time fast will point towards this, then second time fast will point towards this. So after running this, the fast will point toward 30 and slow is pointing toward 10. So now we have to move both fast and slow pointers simultaneously till fast reaches null. So we will have another loop in which we have a condition that fast is not equal to null. So in this we will do slow equal to slow next and fast equal to fast next. So running this loop, then the fast will point towards this and slow will point toward this. Again coming to this loop, fast will point toward this and slow will point toward this. Now the condition is still true, so fast will point toward this and slow will point toward this. So now condition is still true, so we will once again enter into the loop. So now fast will point towards this and slow will point towards this 50. So when the condition becomes false, we will come out of the loop and simply print the slow pointer. So that means this element is the nth element from the end of the linked list. So we have to first do this step, that is we have to increase our fast pointer n number of time in the starting. Then we have to move our slow and fast pointers simultaneously till fast pointer reaches null. When the fast pointer reaches null, the slow pointer will point toward the node which is at a distance of nth from the end of the linked list. So let's see the code for this. So in our code we have a class node in which we have a public data member. First one is int data and the second one is node start next, and we have a constructor node int d to initialize the data equal to d and next equal to null. So whenever we create a node, it will initialize data equal to d and next equal to null. So now coming to the main function of this. In this we have first created a node star head and which is equal to null. Then we have build a list using a function build list in which we have passed head as an argument. Now we have entered the value fn. So we have entered c in n. Then we have printed the linked list to see how our linked list is formed. Then we have called the function nth from end in which we have passed two arguments. First one is the head and the second one is the number n to find the nth node from the end. So in build list function, we are considering -1 as a null. So till we don't enter -1, it will keep adding in our linked list by using the function insert at tail. When we enter -1, it will consider it as a null and it will come out of this function. Then coming to the main function, which is nth from the end. In this, if head is equal to null, that means we don't have any element in the linked list, so we'll simply return from here. Now we have keep two pointer, slow and fast, and initialize both with the head. Now we will run a loop till n is greater than 0 and we will increase our fast pointer to fast equal to fast next. So now after coming out of this loop, fast will point to a end distance from the slow. So then we have to again run a loop till fast is not equal to null. So till fast is not equal to null, we have to update our fast and slow pointer as fast equal to fast next, slow equal to slow next. So when this loop ends, fast will point toward the null and the slow pointer will point toward that element which is nth distance from the end of the linked list. So we will print the data part of the slow pointer. So we have done cout slow data. So this is the code for this program. So let's see the run part. So we have to enter the element of the linked list. Let the element be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, -1 for the null. Then we have to enter the value of n. Let n be 4. So here is the linked list which we have formed 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and the last will point to null. So the nth element from the end, that is the fourth element from the end, it comes out as 40. So let's see, is it correct? So this is the first element, this is the second element, this is the third element, this is the fourth element. So 40 is the fourth element from the end and our output is also 40. So our code is right. The code is simple. So that's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you next lecture. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.